Bollywood actress Selina Jaitley has taken a bold step to bring attention to her brother's distressing situation.
Our soldiers, especially overseas, are becoming, as India is rising and becoming bigger and bigger in the international diaspora, our soldiers are becoming targets overseas over and over again.
Has been detained in the UAE since 2024, and she is now seeking help from the Delhi High Court. Cut to a courtroom image showing the Delhi High Court building.
एक साल से it's been a nightmare for me. That's all I will say. I'm very grateful for today's judgment.
In a recent move, Selina approached the Delhi High Court requesting the court to direct Indian authorities to provide her brother with the legal and medical assistance he desperately needs. Selina alleges that her brother has been held in the UAE without proper care or communication for over a year. She claims that he has been detained since September 2024 without any access to legal representation or medical support, and that she hasn't been able to speak to him for months.
Our soldiers, especially overseas, are becoming, as India is rising and becoming bigger and bigger in the international diaspora, our soldiers are becoming targets overseas over and over again.
After the court hearing, Selina shared an emotional post on social media expressing her hope. She wrote, "Standing for a soldier, a ray of hope from the Delhi High Court in the case of Major, retired, Vikrant Kumar Jaitley." In the post, she included two pictures with her brother, sharing her ongoing fight for his release and well-being. The Delhi High Court, under Justice Sachin Datta, has issued a notice to the Ministry of External Affairs, MIA, asking for a status report within 4 weeks. The court has also directed the appointment of a nodal officer to track the progress of Major Jaitley's case. The next hearing is set for 4th December. Selina, represented by lawyers Raghav Kakkar and Madhav Agrawal, has argued that her brother was abducted and detained in Abu Dhabi and is being held without access to basic human rights, including legal and medical assistance. Despite the ministry's claims of consular access, Selina asserts that her brother's welfare remains unknown, and her efforts to get clarity have been met with silence. In her plea, Selina expressed that the Ministry of External Affairs has failed to provide her with any meaningful updates. She says, "I have been denied even a single phone call or verified communication with my brother for over a year." Selina has explored every avenue to secure her brother's safety. She's registered grievances on the Madad portal, met with officials from the Indian Embassy in Abu Dhabi, and even directly addressed the Minister of External Affairs. Yet, she claims that the situation remains unresolved. In her petition, Selina has requested that the ministry take immediate steps to ensure proper legal representation for her brother, allow direct communication between them, and make sure his rights are protected according to international law. Selina Jaitley's fight for her brother continues, and the next steps are now in the hands of the Delhi High Court. For now, she remains hopeful for justice and the safe return of her brother, Major Vikrant Kumar Jaitley.